It seems like no matter how hard we try, it's not easy to keep our weight in check. If we follow every rule and do everything we're supposed to, eating would probably be pretty boring. So to continue our quest to keep mealtime exciting, we want to share a recipe from our everydaydiabeticrecipes.com website that's fun to eat, tastes amazing, and has less carbs than you'd expect. We start by blanching about 3 cups of broccoli and draining it well. We chop it, and if you're really pressed for time, feel free to start with frozen chopped broccoli that's been thawed. To that, we add some beaten egg, some whole wheat seasoned breadcrumbs, a bit of cheddar cheese, along with a bunch of spices. After this gets mixed, we form it into what looks like potato tots, with each one being about a tablespoon. These get baked, and when they're crispy, they're done. And whether you serve these as a guilt-free snack or as a side dish that will most likely steal the show, are you ever in for a treat? To get this super simple recipe, just head over to our website and type in Broccoli Tots. I know you'll be glad you did. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a guilt-free and tasty way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."